I'd like to show you how to wrap a rectangular box with an origami-style heart. Prepare 2 different sheets of paper. This is the box to wrap top, side, bottom. The main paper size, the bottom is about 2/3 and the top is a little longer. Make sure the length of the paper covers the side of the box enough like this. Second paper size, the width is a little larger than the top. The length should be a little longer than the main paper. Fold it a little at this right end for a clean edge. Place the secondary paper near the top of the main paper. Tape it down to secure. Stick regular tape on the bottom as well. Place the box. Then place the right edge of the paper in the left corner of the box. Make a crease in the right corner. Then the right corner next to the right. Remove the box and fold it at the crease mark. Continue folding at the crease mark in parallel. Put the box back. Wrap the box tightly. Then continue to make creases on the left side of the paper. Fold the left side as well in parallel at the creases. Put the box back here. Overlap the paper and cut off the excess part of the left edge of the main paper. Make the overlap on the left side slightly larger than the folded edge on the right side. Cut only the main paper. Then cut the second piece of paper a little longer than the main paper. Put the double-sided tape on the right edge. Place the box on the paper like this, covering the bottom 2/3. Close it tightly. To close the bottom, turn the white side of the box up. Fold down the top and fold in the end both sides. Make sure you have a nicely finished creases to the end. Fold the tip of the bottom flip at the side flip's connection line. Fold it inward, then pull up the bottom flip and close it with double-sided tape. Make it stand and push down the box. Then make sharp creases in every corner. Here is the seam. Align this line on the back with this line on the front, and align the other side in the same way. It's a little hard to fold 2 sheets of paper together. Try folding them while adjusting them back and forth. Apply double-sided tape to the seam and close. Make nice and sharp creases. Fold down at the corner. Do the same on the other side. Cut off the top with a crease. Open both sides to the end and make them stand. Make sharp corners. Align this edge with this corner. And this edge with this corner. Then slowly open the top. Fully open the top while making clean corners. This is the seam and should be placed in the lower left corner. This is the top and this is the bottom. Open the bottom and align both bottom edges vertically. Then open it left and right like this. Open it completely while making clean corners. Fold along the line connecting the bottom center point and the center of the left edge. Cut off the extra corner along the center line. Fold it back using the crease. Stick double-sided tape to keep it down. Do the same on the right side. Mark the half point of the upper center line. Cut the top to the half point. Fold along the line at the point slightly to the right of this half point and the end of the cutting point. Do the same on the left side. Then fold them back at the creases. Fold at the point a little below from the top with a half point here. Fold it back at the crease. Do the same for the left side. Make sure it's symmetrical. Make nice clean creases. Stick double-sided tape to keep it down. I think it's lovely as it, but also you can add a bow on the heart. At the right end of the ribbon, make one loop and tail. Place the point in the center of the box, wrap the longer end ribbon forward, turn around it back and then up. Cross the shorter end across the ribbon from left to right, then pull it out to the upper right corner. Make one loop with a long end ribbon. Tuck the shorter end ribbon into the hole, then pull it out. While adjusting the bow, pull and tighten the top of the left loop and the bottom of the right loop. Then trim the tails. Make a bow horizontally, it's the same rule. Make one loop and the tail on the right end of the ribbon. Cross the ribbons, then pull the right end ribbon to the upper right corner. Do the same with making a vertical bow. If you have double-sided paper, you can make it with one sheet. Let's wrap with love.